The Northrop Grumman B-21 Raider is a long-range strategic bomber being developed for the United States Air Force. It is intended to replace the aging fleet of B-1B and B-2 bombers, and will be capable of conducting a variety of missions including conventional and nuclear deterrence and precision strike. The B-21 Raider is being developed under the U.S. Air Force's Long-Range Strike Bomber LRS-B program, which was initiated in 2015. The aircraft is being designed to be stealthy and able to evade detection by enemy radar. It will also feature advanced avionics and weapon systems, as well as the ability to carry a variety of payloads including bombs, missiles, and other weapons. The B-21 Raider is still in the development phase and is expected to enter service in the mid-2020s. It is being designed and built by Northrop Grumman, and the U.S. Air Force has ordered at least 100 of the aircraft. Overall, the B-21 Raider is a highly advanced and sophisticated aircraft that will be a key component of the U.S. military's ability to conduct long-range strategic bombing missions. It is expected to play a critical role in maintaining the U.S. military's dominance in the air and its ability to project power around the world.